Hello, I'm Amaryllis, and today I will show you how you can turn cardboard into a nice skull mask, perfect for Halloween or Dia de Muertos. To make the skull mask, you will need a piece of cardboard, acrylic paint, a brush, scissors, a cutter, glue, hot glue and white glue, and a black Sharpie. You will also need the skull template. You can download it with the link in the description. So the first thing you have to do is cut out the template, the eyes of the template, the nose, and here the little mark, you have to cut them also. Do not cut this one, these are just folds. So this is the template, I already cut it. You place the template on the cardboard. You can see it's not a very thick cardboard, like envelopes cardboard or cereal boxes kind of cardboard. And you will just report the skull shape on the cardboard. You report the eyes also. It's okay if it's not perfect. And you also need to report these 5 lines you have around the skull. So you just lift a little the paper and draw the lines. And you want to mark also the 2 folds you have here, so just make a mark here. And then you fold it next to the nose. And you make some 2 points here so you know where you will have to fold. Okay, this is your shape, and now you have to cut it out. And now you cut the 5 lines. And now use a cutter to cut out the eyes and the nose. You have to mark these 2 folds. Remember these 2? So just use a ruler and the tip of the scissor, and you will just press the cardboard so it will be easier to fold. I'll show you in a minute. You can see, and then it's very easy to fold. Up. Okay, to finish, to give the mask the skull shape, you have to open a little and glue the edge on top of each other, like 1 centimeter, like that. So put a little glue, that's too much. And then you hold, and you do the same on the other side. And same here, apply glue. Now that the shape of the skull mask is done, you want to give it a nice and smooth finish. To do so, we will cover the mask with newspaper. Start by cutting out small pieces of paper. Then apply white glue on the cardboard, spread it with a brush and glue the newspaper little by little until all the mask is covered. This step takes some time, so just turn on a night podcast and enjoy the process. Wait for the paper and the glue to dry completely. Trim the excess of newspaper to keep the skull shape nice and clean. Grab some white acrylic paint and apply it on the skull mask. Use a flat brush to spread the paint all over. You will probably need to apply 2 or 3 coats of paint to have a clean and white skull mask. Wait for the paint to dry. And now you can add details on your skull mask. I first use a pencil to draw the teeth. Then I use a black Sharpie to draw the teeth. Then I put black around the eyes and also around the nose. This is how the skull mask looks like. You can add details with black or red paint if you want. To hold the mask around your head, you can just fix a rubber band on each side. Of course, I will not let the skull mask plain and white. I will decorate it with a lot of color and flowers and turn it into a sugar skull mask because pues es mucho más divertido hacer una máscara de calavera. At first I thought about using acrylic paint to decorate the mask, but turns out it works pretty well using marker and Sharpies. Be creative and enjoy decorating the skull mask the way you like. This is how the skull mask looks like. Have fun crafting for Dia de Muertos. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more easy craft ideas.